Okay, so we're now going to take a look at question 4. Okay, so question 4 says circle the correct statement. Now, for these questions, what we need to do is first of all understand what this symbol means that's present in all of these statements. Okay, so I'm just going to circle this and let you know that that is just the equivalent symbol. Okay, and it just means that whatever's on this side is going to be equal or equivalent to whatever's on the other side. Okay, so we've got to work out on all of these statements which one is true, so which one has both sides that are actually equal to each other. Okay, so we'll start off with this one. So we've got 3x is equivalent to x plus 2x. Well, x plus 2x, we know that that can be simplified. If we collect our like terms, it becomes 3x. Okay, and that's equivalent to 3x, which is also on the other side. So therefore, this is actually equivalent. So it's actually a valid statement. Okay. So now that we've found our correct statement, I'm still going to go ahead and show you how the other statements are not true. Okay. X is equivalent to 2. Well, that's not true. Okay, because this has an x on this side and this has a 2 and no x and no 3 as well, so that's definitely not equivalent. And then we've got 3x plus x is equivalent to 2 minus x. Well, here if we simplify this side, we'll get 4x, and on this side it's just 2 minus x, which we can't simplify any further because there's no like terms, so these are not equivalent. Okay, so let's take my red pen and put a big no. And then if we move over to the last one, we've got 3x plus x minus 2 is equivalent to 0. Well, let's have a look at this. So if we collect our like terms, we get 3x plus x, which is simplifying to 4x, minus 2. We can't simplify that anymore because this is a variable. This has got a variable attached to it, and this term does not have a variable. So that means that we can't simplify any further, therefore would have to leave it as that. Okay, and again, these two sides are not equivalent, so this statement is not correct either. So